If you're curious about energy, you need to hear this. How much fuel does a jumbo jet burn compared to your house? Alright folks, get this. A jumbo jet slurps up about 5 gallons of fuel every mile. That's like guzzling a whole jug of milk with every step you take. Now compare that to your average household. In a year, a typical home uses around 10,800 kilowatt hours of energy. Sounds like a lot, right? But wait for it. In just one 10-hour flight, a jumbo jet can burn through 36,000 gallons of fuel. That's enough to power your house for over 3 years. So next time you flip that light switch, remember it's nothing compared to the sky-high fuel frenzy of a jumbo jet. The comparison really puts things into perspective, doesn't it? Hit that like button if you want to see more content like this.